got 2.
I did not see warriors today. I saw small
Razor did it,
children running for their
guys.
lives.
Damn. So Hellraiser got it. Wow. So whoever put 100 on Razor, man, damn. You got what you were doing. No. He lost $49 betting on you. Damn. Because everybody else just put a buck on Demon. They're like, fuck that. You did at the very end, brother. You got 2 of them, man. Damn. Just look at the teams, guys. Look at that. It's hilarious. We got Sir Top Hat, Joey, Rondo, and Brymaster against me, Demon, and Hellraiser, and I'm the highest one on the totem pole on our team, and that's a 9. I definitely don't like our chances, ladies. Alright. I'm voting to skip this map. Hope you guys do as well. Sanctuary is a very messed up map. Man, what is this GPIV guy coming in here? What is this, like a spam bot that comes into channels now? Yeah, I'm wondering if it's like a spam bot though. You know, like how you get junk email and stuff like that. All right, so here we go. We're going to do Sanctuary. I'm not going to do a bet for this one, guys, because I want everybody to concentrate on actually trying to win. I'm not going to do one for this round. I want to see how we do, where we're just... Oh, we got a 55. We got the great Kali on our team, guys. No, to me it's Kali. I don't see that extra L. We got Kali 1991. That's when he was only 7'4". It's before he, about 5 years before he hit 8 foot. You know, so hopefully he could get us. Look at that, 61. Damn, Joey, boy, is he a lucky cat or what, man? A 16 getting to hang with a 61, a 29, and a 38. Man. I mean, he's just going to pick up points just riding their coattails. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go get killed. Oh shit, they're taking the middle, baby. They are taking that middle hard, boy. Oh, how the hell did you put me down? Right, nobody wants to save them. It's really nice. Oh, damn it. I'm down. Oh, Kali, you ain't worth shit. God. Kali ain't worth shit. Gotcha! Gotcha! Fuck yeah, man. Oh, fuck, now I'm down. Damn it. Yeah, I've got to get more accustomed to using the shotgun like I did back when Gears first came out 10 years ago. Oh shit, really? Damn it! Kali used to be your favorite, really? I like the Punjabi Playboy gimmick he had, but I was, oh shit. I was never a big fan of Kali. Damn it. We just got raped. Well, it's because you had 2 downs. You had more downs than anyone. And Demon, man, you need to communicate more, bud. I don't know what you're doing if you're watching your, you know, anime or whatever it is you do. Oh, yeah, he is into that coral reef porn or some shit. Alright, so... Oh, look at this little bitch. Look at this little bitch trying to fucking flank. Oh, and he smacked me down. Got one coming behind you guys. There's one coming behind. That was a smart move by him. I saw him coming up. I didn't know he had the boom shot, so of course he hits me with it and puts me down on my ass. Never a big fan of Kali, man. Yeah, like I said, I mean, I didn't think he was that talented, man. I mean, my favorite big guy of all time has got to be the Giant. And I mean when he was the Giant in WCW. Not the Big Show. Damn it! What's up, JJ? Welcome to stream, buddy. I thought I had my shotgun out, and I had my damn chainsaw, and so I was hooked. Oh, fucking boom shot me. Damn it. That's the one thing about this game. It's like rock, paper, and scissors, you know? I mean, is the weapon you got out better than the other weapon that they've got? Yes, the Giant, man. Dude. Go back and watch, and I kid you not, man, and I do go to this pay-per-view a lot, guys, because I do think it was a hell of a pay-per-view. Starrcade 96. Piper Hogan was the main event, but watch the Luger Giant match, and just look how athletic the Giant was back in his heyday. It's unreal, man, how his big ass could move like he did. I mean, he threw a... Oh, yeah. Yeah, when he would... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm stuck. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, he would do the little spring up. He would also do... I mean, I've seen him throw drop kicks. I mean, he was trying to do all kinds of stuff that somebody his size should have never have done.
I did not see warriors today. I saw small children running for their lives.
Damn. She just told us like it was, boy. God. Straight up. I did not see grown men fight today. I saw little children run and hide. Or whatever she just said. That was pretty cold, man. Very true, but very cold. Because we are children playing amongst men. That's for damn sure. Alright, well, I'll tell you what. I would love to switch over and do some NHL, if you guys are down. Would the Woo Crew like to see us play a little bit of NHL 16? Spam it and tell me yes, no, you suck, go to hell, whatever. Just tell me something. Vader was good, but I don't consider him a big guy. Yeah, we could vote. Do you guys... Vote yes or no. You want us to put in NHL 16, guys. I hope that's how you do it. That may not be. Alright, 987 says yes. So we got one to see some NHL 16. What's up, Doe Nutty? Oh, yeah, for a heavy guy, Vader was awesome, man. The freaking moonsault, the Vader bomb, the power bomb. Vader was a bad mamma jammer, man. You know, he actually played for the LA Rams. What, Demon? You keep telling me we have this. I don't see anything, buddy. I'm not sitting next to you. I'm not able to see this. I got something right here for you. Just imagine what Steve Austin used to do to everybody. Well, we can't do MK because Hellraiser can't fucking ever join the link. Uncharted, welcome, brother. 9987 says, hell, I'm the only one here, dude. What the hell? Yeah, we got a few in this bad boy. But, if you guys want to see some NHL, man, I'll tell you what, Demon, why don't you go ahead and set it up and send me an invite so that way I can get the stream popping right back on. No, we're going to do team play, dude. They got it set up now to where you can actually invite your friends to the same damn team. Yeah, instead of trying to guess and hope you get in the same room with everybody. Yeah, they've actually got it set up now to where, oh, Hellraiser, good shot, brother.
Come on, let's do this.
I think he got me. Yeah, he got me. He got me. Son of a bitch. Yeah, well, he's got that bow and arrow deal going on. Yeah, they got the trial. So that's what I'm saying. We can all throw down on some NHL, man. I'm trying to help you out, dude. It ain't helping you. I was stuck. I had one coming from the front and one coming from the right. We getting smashed, brother. I don't think Demon understands menus. Oh, damn it! What's up, Blood Junior, buddy? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Blood, guts, and chainsaws, man. Been plenty of bloods and guts, not a lot of chainsaws. Damn it, Kali's down. The Punjabi Playboy has left the building. I know it. Yeah. I know I'm gonna walk into a shitstorm. There's gonna be like 3 of them like, hello. What's up, Mana? On the stream, buddy.
You will not lose again. I will not tolerate defeat.
Alright guys, I'm going to jump off of here, and for 9987, my friend, make sure you guys hit the follow button. We are going to be doing a giveaway this weekend. The only way you'll be eligible is if you are a follower of the stream. But I'm going to turn the stream off for a second, guys, because I'm going to go set up the freaking NHL, because I really don't think Demon knows what he's doing.